Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate build forms with JotForm and publish a no-code app, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, navigate to the JotForm website and log in to your account. Once logged in, click on the Create Form button to start a new project. You will have the option to choose between a blank form, a template, or importing a form. Select your preferred option based on your needs. Once you have your form open, use the form builder to add fields. Drag and drop elements like text boxes, checkboxes, and drop-down menus from the sidebar. Customize each field by clicking on it and adjusting its properties in the right panel. Make sure to label your fields clearly to enhance user experience. Next, to activate the Build Forms feature, click on the Settings tab at the top. In the Settings menu, find the Form Settings section. Look for the Build option, then toggle the switch to activate it. This will enable the form to transition into a fully functional app. Once your form is ready, click on the Publish tab. In the Publish section, you'll see your form link at the top of the page. You can customize this link for better branding. Below the link, you will find options to share your form via social media or embed it on a website. Now, to publish your no-code app, click on the Apps option in the main dashboard. Choose Create an App from the drop-down menu. Follow the prompts to integrate your published form into the app. Select the form you created from the list of available options. Adjust the app settings to modify the layout, color scheme, and navigation. Once everything is set up, click Publish to make your no-code app live. Your app is now accessible to users through the shared link you created earlier. To monitor submissions and user interactions, return to your JotForm dashboard regularly. You can analyze the data collected from your forms directly. Congratulations on successfully activating build forms with JotForm and publishing your no-code app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.